Hello crypto world, this is your host Crypto Puffy, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting crypto trading project called 3Commas, a special automatic tool that can help us during our crypto journey. What exactly is 3Commas? How does it work and how can we use it in order to identify and fully automatize our crypto trading opportunities? Stay with me for the next 10 minutes and you will find out the answer to all these questions. But before we proceed, don't forget to press both your like and subscribe buttons in case you are not yet a member of my channel. Also, please press the small bell, the notification button, in order to receive immediately all my video updates. By subscribing, you will automatically be entitled to participate in any giveaway that I organize periodically for my subscribers. And now, back to work. What is 3Commas? As per their own definition, 3Commas is a special tool for crypto traders to grow profits, minimize risks, and limit losses across multiple exchanges. Basically, it's a trading bot that can be programmed very easy to initiate, monitor, and close your trades by following some predefined parameters, and so allowing the trader to have more free time in his or her hands. 3Commas supports 23 exchanges at this moment, with single dedicated portfolio for each exchange account, paper trading and public APIs, plus mobile apps available for iOS and Android. Also, they have a very interesting multi-level referral program that can be used as a standalone way of making money in case you don't really know or don't want to learn how to trade or how to automatize your trading. After you register and created your link, just by referring new members to use this bot, you can win up to 40% commission for each referral and get paid your commissions every 14 days directly to your bank account. In addition to their main features, the platform is also offering live price charts for the most important currencies on 6 different markets. Those markets are USD, BTC, ETH, XRP, BCH, and LTC. If we are going to check, for example, Bitcoin, you will see that here you can check live prices for your favorite assets, different exchanges where they are listed, and also historical data going down to hourly details. Also, you can check each asset's charts using the TradingView.com integration. Now, talking about TradingView integration, I should mention that TradingView is the largest technical analysis platform in the space. Beginners can take advantage of TradingView extensive functionality, which includes more than 100 indicators for the best analysis of asset price behavior, as well as the ability to test trading strategies. The TradingView.com platform allows advanced users to create custom indicators and signals that will provide the most accurate settings for trading with 3Commas bots. The 3Commas users can connect the bot to one or more indicators of their choice, and the bots will start to receive alerts and open and or close trades. Except the custom TradingView signals trading, 3Commas offers different other features like smart trades, different types of bots, and crypto signals. Let's discuss first about the crypto signals. The best way to start trading on the cryptocurrency market, if you are a beginner, is to use the crypto signals of experienced traders. You just need to connect an exchange account and select and configure trading based on the recommendations of the signal provided in your 3C account, 3C being the 3Commas. A trading signal is a trigger for an action to buy or sell a coin. You can apply the signal to your bots on 3Commas, and the incoming signal determines the start time of the transaction for the selected strategy and trading pair. In the marketplace section, like the one you see here, like an example, you can find different sellers who offer a monthly subscription to their signals. The signal seller sends a buy or sell signal to your bot, and some of these sellers have also signals to close a deal, not only to start it. We may say that you will entrust your funds and profit to other people when you use their signals. So please make sure you do your own due diligence in regard with the signal provider and the signal accuracy. For each signal, once you go and check the more info button, you will be able to see the signal accuracy for this signal provider. So please make sure that you check them and you are satisfied with them before you subscribe and you connect your bot to them. For more advanced traders, 3Commas offer 2 types of trading systems. A smart terminal for manual trading on cryptocurrencies exchanges called Smart Trade, and an automated trading system with different types of trading bots. In regard to the manual system, in addition to all features offered by a regular exchange trading interface, the Smart Trade page offers concurrent stop loss and take profit functions. They offer stepwise profit making with step sell, trailing mechanism for take profit and stop loss, trading view charts and signals integration, and the last but not the least, a smart cover function, which is the possibility of making a profit in case of an unplanned market movement by selling coins and buying them back at a lower price. You can find detailed description of each of these functions on the 3Commas Smart Trade page that I'm showing you, I'm displaying you right now on the screen. In case you would like me to cover in detail each of these settings in future episodes, please make sure you request it by writing me a message on the message box below this video. For the automated trading, 3Commas is offering different types of trading bots, from simple bots running only one pair at a time to composite bots running multiple pairs, long and short strategies, trading view signals, or even they can analyze performance and copy other bot settings on the 3Commas platform. You can find detailed information about all these types of bots on each of the bot type page, DCA, grid, or options, and also you can leave me a message on the box below in order to cover a specific type of bot in one of my next episodes about 3Commas platform. Another features that users can benefit from is portfolios, where user can create, balance, or edit or copy ratios on their portfolios. In case you are interested about any of these products, 3Commas is offering the possibility to test and evaluate the platform, offering users access to their pro plan absolutely free for 3 days. After this period, you will be able to select one of their plans depending on your needs and your trading level. If you want to take advantage of this offer, you just sign up either by Facebook or filling the form below, and then your free trial will start immediately. So let's discuss a little bit about their plans. Okay, first of all, please make sure that you understand that 3Commas does not charge any commission for the trades. Okay, they are going to charge a monthly subscription for their service, and that's it. 3Commas offers 3 types of plans: starters, advanced, or professional, with prices ranging from $30 to $99 monthly. If you choose to pay yearly, like I showed you before, you can benefit of 50% discount on your preferred plan. The difference between plans, as you can see on the screen, is the access to different advanced features like short or long algorithm, trading view signals integration, simple or composite bots, or access to future markets on different exchanges. All plans include access to all supported exchange, portfolio feature, mobile apps for iOS and Android, public API, paper trading, and the multi-level referral program, where you can win up to 40% of your referral subscription. So that was all for today, people. I hope you enjoyed our journey together, and if you are ready to try this bot, make sure you first select the 3 days trial option until you decide what to do next. In our next episode, if some of you will manifest your interest, I'm going to show you how to start and run different bots, how to create and manage a portfolio, and how to create a trade using the Smart Trade terminal. Just before I'm finishing this video, let me show you how the dashboard looks. So here I have connected for you to see one of my exchanges, my Binance exchange account, and I can see in one page what is the trades, what is the result of the trades on my bots, on my Smart Trades, and also I can see the balance and portfolio of my account. Then you have the Smart Trade page where you can check live charts and live trades on your preferred pairs and markets in your exchange. You can create buy or sell orders, smart long, smart sell, and Smart Short depending on the exchange that you are using. Then you have the DCA bots, where you can either create your bot or you can choose one of the bots already published by other users. You can copy them and use them, including paper trading, so you have a multitude of bots that you can choose from. You have grid bots that I'm going to discuss in a separate episode. You can connect your exchanges, different exchanges, as I said, up to 23. You can manage your portfolios, and you have your own academy access, where you can see different videos and different information about trading and trading bots in general. Cool! That was all for today. Meanwhile, thanks for staying with me up to this point, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channels, and press the small bell, the notification icon, so you won't miss any of my future episodes on 3Commas platform. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.